Wonder of the seas. For many years, cruise ships were simply floating hotels. But the wonder of the seas took that concept to an entirely different level. Considered one of the largest cruise ships on the planet, it is so massive that it feels like an entire city moving across the ocean. Stretching over 1,180 feet in length, the ship features themed neighborhoods, pools, theaters, parks, restaurants, and even a full aquatic arena built directly into its structure. It can carry thousands of passengers at the same time, creating an experience that feels closer to a luxury resort than a traditional ship. But what truly stands out is the fact that this enormous floating structure is capable of crossing entire oceans while carrying what is essentially a small city on water. BYD Explorer. The electric vehicle revolution has arrived, and with it came the need for entirely new ways to transport thousands of cars across the world. That is exactly why the BYD Explorer was built. This gigantic ship can carry more than 7,000 electric vehicles at the same time, spread across multiple internal decks that feel like massive floating parking garages. Stretching over 650 feet in length, its structure is so enormous that many cargo ships look small beside it. Designed to connect entire continents in a single journey, it represents the incredible scale the automotive industry has reached in recent years. When fully loaded, it feels less like a ship and more like a floating city packed with cars crossing the ocean. Pioneering spirit building. Massive offshore platforms in the middle of the ocean requires machines that seem to challenge modern engineering itself. That is exactly why the pioneering spirit was built. Considered one of the largest construction vessels in the world, it was designed to transport and install gigantic offshore structures weighing thousands of tons. Its scale is so extreme that the main deck feels more like a floating industrial complex than a conventional ship. Stretching nearly 1,300 feet in length, it has enough space to support multiple large-scale operations at the same time. But what truly makes it unbelievable is its ability to lift entire offshore platforms out of the ocean in a single operation, something that for decades seemed almost impossible. Prelude FLNG. Extracting natural gas in the middle of the ocean is already extremely complex. The Prelude FLNG turns that process into a gigantic floating factory. Stretching over 1,600 feet long, it extracts, processes, and stores natural gas directly at sea. Its structure is so massive that it feels like an entire industrial city floating across the ocean.